You know, we got Snoop Dogg.
And then we got Beyonce.
We got Tupac. You think he did? He did.
We got Lady Gaga.
We got Bobby Ratchet. Oh shit, we got
Like, man, we
he's the cornrows over here. You want to tell them the real reason we're here, though?
Alright, y'all know. This is really time to get serious, okay? The real reason that we are up here today is to tell y'all that last, weekend we went to y'all's prom.
Oh,
Y'all ugly. Y'all ugly.
Hey, that was
I was saying.
sorry.
Sorry. Like,